Okay, today's video is going to be about light, or lights. I had a company, MAXXEON, contact me and wanted to know if I would do a review of one of their lights. And here it is, the MAXXEON Cyclops. Magnetic base. It's a pretty strong magnet too. And if you can see right there, you can put it on a like a tripod and put it wherever you want it. It swivels. Oops, I didn't mean to hit the button to turn it on, but it swivels. It's pretty tight to get it to swivel. It'll probably get looser as you use it, but that's a good thing, I guess. As you can see, it's got 3 different settings. It is really bright. It's rechargeable. Let me get the camera turned around and I'll show you the paperwork they sent me with it. Okay, this is the brochure, or whatever you call it. That's the person that contacted me, I'm assuming. That's them. Pretty cool. This is the light right here that they sent me. Let's get it over here. Comes in 3 different colors. Like I said, I didn't know it had this feature on it, but that's pretty cool too, where you can put it on a tripod like you do a camera or whatever, or other lighting. That's pretty neat. Here's some of the only thing I don't like is they don't show the prices. I don't understand that, but whatever. Here's some of the other stuff they offer. Now I don't know if this is a rebranded light that's made by somebody else or what. There's another style. And the one I wish they would have sent me is this one. I could really use this one. I have to check on how much it is and buy that one, because I need a light like that. They have headlamps. Pretty cool. Like I said, I've never heard of this company. I believe they're in Canada. I believe it says it's somewhere there. Yeah, in Canada. Anyway, there's all the numbers. Anyway, there that is. Like I said, it is rechargeable. There's the cord that came with it to charge it. It's a pretty awesome light. It's not really rubber coated or anything though. It's just plastic. The bottom's coated so it don't scratch anything. Like I said, it's got that thing to go on the tripod. That's pretty cool. I didn't know they had that. Like I said, there's the company. I've never really even heard of that company. They're pretty cool lights though, pretty bright. Let's walk over here to the garage door. As you can see, that magnet is pretty dang strong. There's the first setting. I don't want to blind you too bad. That's pretty cool light. I like it. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. I can stick it to the lift while I'm working on the motorcycles. Here, let me show you the difference in the lighting or the brightness. That's first. It's pretty bright. I like it. Well, anyway, that's about all I got for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that this company reached out to me and wanted me to review their light. That's something different. Never had anybody want to send me any lights or anything. That's pretty cool. They didn't give me any kind of discount code or anything, so, and I don't even really know how much this thing costs. You just have to go on their website. There it is right there. Right there if you want to check them out. Anyway, that's all I have for this video. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.